All right, good morning, cyber traders. Let me get a little audio check. Good to see you all. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see you. Brad, everyone. Good. Larry, everybody. Good. Well, listen, we're getting a big run up in the BJDX. What a nice little pop right there. Look at this nice little stock up 63%. Look at that beautiful little move right here. Little concern. Spread's a little big, probably in the category 4 category, but we're getting some good iceberg orders. Nice little move. I know some of you guys jumped in. Listen, stock made a big run right around 840, straight up, right around $9. So really nice move. Anyway, a couple other ones out there. Let's talk about what happened yesterday, and then let's get ready for today, what's going to go on. First of all, let's give everybody a little heads up. Today, we do got phase 3 that's going to be starting. So anyway, it's a student here at Cyber University. And if you want to find out more, just talk to our education advisors and they'll get you in that class. It's going to start at 9:30 and also at 3 o'clock. But regarding what happened yesterday, we got a little correction that came in the market. And you know what? Sometimes it's quite healthy, that we get a correction. I mean, let's think about this. Market's been up. If you see from here, from 33,000 went to 35,000. The S&P also, big run up. It is healthy for it to back off. So don't look at it as a bad thing. There are a couple of stocks that are moving. I mean, obviously, everybody's hearing that gas is going up now. It's about 30, 40 cents. They don't even know why, other than, they always have these weird excuses. Oh, it's too hot. They had to lower production, all that. But definitely something going on. By the way, this thing is flying. This JDDX, oh my God, it just took out an iceberg order at $10. Look at that right there. So anyway, that stock is right on our watch list. I don't know if anyone here at the Cyber Group Room has it, but if you do, congratulations. I mean, I know a lot of you are looking at it and it's been showcased all morning. But anyway, regarding about what's moving and what's happening, regarding what happened in the market, yeah, it's healthy to have a little correction. It's always nice to have a little back off. We'll keep an eye on it. Now, let's talk about some stocks that we did have yesterday. ADAI, let's start talking about with that and start hitting some stocks. So anyway, we had a couple of nice little moves. ADAI had a really nice pop, $1.40 all the way up to about $2.80. Almost about, 100%. Nice little move on that stock right there. Beautiful little trend. RBT, another one. Not the greatest, but it did make it. It's been on a really good swing trade. You can see here from 80 cents to $1.80. Had a little bit of a move in the afternoon. Been a really good swing trade. RBT. Oops. TEVA. That stock also, even with the market being down the way it is, this stock had a really nice move from about 875 all the way to about 930. And classic Cyber Trading University time during the trade during the day. Right there. You can see it. That first hour is where it's all about right there. Big hour right there. So that one worked out pretty well too. So a couple of good stocks that traded. And overall, listen, yesterday was a pretty good short. I mean, you could have traded some of the big brand name stocks. I mean, Tesla went down. You could have traded, what else we had? NVIDIA, you could trade Microsoft, Apple, they all basically came down. So there was some good opportunity out there to do some trades right there. So anyway, that's the past. Let's worry about the future. Today is Thursday. It's also a very good day to trade. Good volatility going on. Let's go do some shopping. Let's go hop on really quick to the biggest percentage gainers. So since we started right around 9 o'clock this morning, you can see the stock has already ran literally $4. Now, I want to point something out right here. So we have the stock BJDX. So, it's pretty funny, but yesterday I ended up going on a fishing trip. And one of the people that I was on the fishing trip with was a day trader. He sold his business. He hated, had his issues and just want to get out of it. A lot of stress, likes this, did this a while back. And he was just amazed. He goes, when I was talking about level 4. So today at 1 o'clock, I am going to be doing an event on level 4 for everybody here. So if you're on social media right now, like us, friend us, we'll get you into that. We're going to broadcast live on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all those channels. So make sure you get those alerts. But I'm going to talk a lot about this. You got to follow the orders. And everyone's so focused on these these dumb indicators, and they keep worrying about what happened in the past, not indicative future. So please don't forget. We'll post that link up there really quick for everybody here, but please be there. And you got to know the real truth, what's happening in these markets. But here you have a clear example of a stock that broke a big iceberg order at $10. Boom, stock ran to 12 like that. That's what trading is all about. So BJDX is on our watch list. Sarah on YouTube is saying, Fausto, could you check out this PWM? Yeah, so PWM also pretty nice move. The only issue with this stock right here, which you have to understand, is that, Sarah, it's got a very, very big spread. Very, very big spread. And with that, it's going to be very difficult to see iceberg orders. And it's all about being a good trader is low risk, high reward. So I'm just loading up and seeing some orders out there. Yeah. So anyway, here's a good example. So I'll bring this up and kind of show it to you really quick. And I'm just going to do a quick training class, okay? But I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in this afternoon. Big order right here, right around $12. When he showed up, that stock literally ran from 12 to 15. And you're starting to get a little bit of a ladder effect. But if you look over here on the current order book, you got very small tier sizes, 5 shares, 100 shares. I mean, it's very, very, very volatile. So just please, if you're going to trade it, be very careful, Sarah. Don't trade too many shares of it because the street's not trading a lot of shares of it. Let's go hop on, look at a couple of stocks, even though it is number 2 on our big percentage gainer list. Now, on the other hand, you got a stock like PMBA. Now, it's got 4 million shares, even though it's kind of flat right here, but you got a good spread. It's a level 1 stock. It's easy to get in and out of it. The day trader that I met yesterday, I was on his fishing trip, said himself, and you hear me preach this all the time. First thing he said, he goes, what's very important to learn about being a trader before I even got into the conversation and talk about, because I always like to listen to people before I actually kind of tell them what to, how to do it right. And he said it, what I say all the time. You have to learn how to stop losing money. That's what it's at. And Sarah, to get back to your trade in that trade, that's what you got to be careful of. You could lose a lot of money on that stock. I don't care how big it's up right now, but it's all about controlling losses, and it's all about what we teach in class, that first T, tradable. Stock's not tradable. You do not want to trade that stock. So that's why when we're going through the watch list, we know really quick, tradable, not tradable, tradable. It's 50% of the failure rate. UPWK, flat, garbage. These stocks are not really moving. I had this one on my watch list, but she is trending down right here. She did get executed a couple iceberg orders. Very tradable. You can see right there, Archipelago's got about 16,000 share buyer right there. I mean, ADMP, I'm getting a little desperate here. We're at 15%. We don't like to trade anything at least at minimum of, above 10%. And it looks like we're dying out. And it's funny, but Josh told me here this morning in the morning meeting, he goes, you know what? This morning looks crappy so far. Hopefully it's better. But I really not seeing that much out there. Not yet. BDLP, we trade this stock. Losers, nothing great there. This stock, AMSC, we know why this stock is tanking. We've been trading this stock. This stock did pretty good move for us, $7 to 17. Now it's obviously coming down. Why is it coming down? It's obvious short squeeze, okay? There we pretty much done. Cook, on the other hand, big spread, decent volume of 31%. Tier size are really small. They're already showing on level 2 at 100 share lots. Wayfair, let me tell you, it's been a really good swing trade. Big support levels here around 30. It's already at 70, just broke a 52-week high. You got to go back a little bit further. It's expensive. I will probably stay away from it, okay? I would probably stay away from it. But if you are one of the advanced traders, you've been trading for a while, maybe this stock is something up your alley. All right. That's about it. I know Josh put and the trader, the instructors, Rich and everyone put a couple of stocks here on the earlier list, which was the ADMP. So we're going to keep that one on there. But they also had in here, was it NBSE? I mean, it was good this morning, but it came back down. It's kind of flat. And QS, you had that huge spike, which is the reason why they called it out, but it's not going anywhere. So they pretty much died out. So I don't know. This morning's we're in the thick of August. My whole town's on vacation. Okay. If they went to Italy, they went to Greece, they went to, wherever they went. There's all the traders I know are out. I know employees that work in the city. They're saying, yeah, you don't have to come in on Mondays and Fridays. So far, it looks like we're in the thick of it. The only thing you got to worry about to trade is what happened yesterday. Okay. Because the traders are not there. You can get some really good opportunities on a short. So as much as we don't see anything moving big on the watch list as an advanced type of stock, as a swing trader too, you want to kind of just get through August. And unfortunately, we just started. So we'll cover more of this stuff today at 1 o'clock. And if you're a student of mine, remember, we're going to be doing free today. So we got that link up there, posted up there for you. And if you're watching us on, if you're watching on social media, we post that link up in the left-hand corner. Actually, let me give you another QR code for the live workshop today. I believe this is it right here. Yeah, that's the live workshop. If you guys want to kind of attend there. And you also got the link that's posting up on the bottom. So we'll see you back at 1 o'clock. All right. And then also Cyber Group members, we got Steve Primo coming in at 11. Look forward to hopefully seeing you there too. All right. Be luck. Trade safe. And let's try to let's not get too cocky today, right? Because I'm not really that impressed. And when I always say that, usually sometimes it comes true. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. We'll see you in class.